Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete messages or conversations from your Pinterest account using your mobile phone. This process works for both Android and iOS devices. Follow along as I take you through each step. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat feature. To find this, look at the bottom of your screen. You will see several icons. The chat icon is the second to last icon on the right. Tap on it to open your chats. In the chat section, you will see all your recent conversations. For this demonstration, I will select a conversation from this list. If you want to delete a specific message or conversation, start by opening the chat you wish to manage. Once inside the chat, you can send a test message if needed. For example, I will quickly send a message to demonstrate the process. After sending the message, you will notice 3 dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these 3 dots to open a menu of options for the conversation. From this menu, you will see an option labeled Hide Conversation. Select this option. Once you do, the conversation will no longer appear in your chat list on your mobile device. It's important to note that hiding a conversation does not permanently delete it from Pinterest servers. However, it will be removed from view on your mobile app, helping you manage your chats more efficiently. This is how you can delete or hide messages on Pinterest using your mobile phone. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.